Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be having a look at another one of the Sentinels of the Multiverse Oblivion Kickstarter decks. This one is Stuntman. Previous name was Ambuscade. There we are. He's now a hero. Okay, so here we are with the pack. This is how it looks. And on the back we have the what should we call it? On the backstory for the Stuntman, plus his stats. And inside we have the cards. One thing I didn't show you on the previous video for benchmark, which I didn't notice until I was putting the cards away, is that we have one of these nice little divider cards in there for him as well. So there we are. We have one for benchmark, we have one for Stuntman as well. Okay, let's have a look at these cards, shall we? You'd have thought I'd have had a little bit of brains and gone over and got a knife or some such to be able to open this, but I didn't, so there. Although I think I may need one for this one because it's... oh, there we are, I've got it. Don't panic, I've got it. Oh dear. Yes. And there we go. Now, once again, we have our hero card. That's the front of it, which gives you his power. And there's the back. When he's got lost all his life points. There we go. And now we'll have a look at his action card thingies. So, I believe the character is French, which is why the titles of things are in French. So I'm not even going to attempt to try and pronounce some of these because I can only imagine them being quite tricky after a while. There we go. So we have two of those. Grammatic Cliffhanger, this is one I can actually pronounce quite easily. We have three of those. It's found a hidden mine. Don't we all? Two of those. With one of these French things, I think. Now we have one of those. And Flame Lance, we'll call it, because that's how it looks on there. And we have two of those. And Ambuscade, not a clue. Two of those. Moving Target. 1, 2, 3 of those. No Time to Bleed. 1, 2, 3 of those. Not a clue what that says. Oh dear. 1, 2 of those. No, that. Oh, Wraith is in the background there. Character I like. 1, 2 of those. That's what I like about these cards. A nice little comic strip image on there and a piece from the comics that doesn't actually exist. I really wish they'd do Sentinels of the Multiverse graphic novel or some such. Would be good. But 1, 2, 3 of those. Stylish armour. Batman's Two-Face there in the background there. You can see that. 1, 2, 3 of those. The Usual Solution. 1, 2, 3 of those. And we have Training Montage. 1, 2, 3 of those. And the final one is 3 cards is Violence Escalation. And that's it for Stuntman. Let's see if I can do any better this time. No, I can't. Ah well, never mind. Well, let's look at some of the cards anyway. Yeah, I never make a magician, will I? Pen and Towels, nothing to worry about. So, that's it from me and Stuntman for this video. Next, we'll open another pack. Until then, take care, God bless, and bye for now.